Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to see calories on Strava app. Are you having trouble seeing the calories on your Strava app? Don't worry, just follow these easy steps and you'll find a solution for it. Open your Strava app and go to the profile edit section. Make sure you have entered your weight in that. Strava requires this information to calculate calories burned for your activities. Strava will automatically display the estimated calories burned for activities like runs, walks, hikes, and bike rides. This information is provided by Strava's own calculation based on your weight, speed, and activity duration. For activity type like cross-country skiing, Strava may not be able to calculate the calories burned unless the data is provided by a connected device or app that syncs the calorie information. If you are using a heart rate monitor or other connected device, make sure it is properly linked to your Strava account so that the calorie data can be imported. If you still don't see your calorie displayed for your activities, double check that you have entered your weight correctly and that your connected devices are syncing the calorie data to Strava. In summary, the key steps are to enter your weight in your profile and make sure any connected devices or apps are properly syncing calorie data to Strava. With this information, Strava should be able to display the estimated calories burned for your activities. Even after doing all this, if you are still not able to find a solution, it's better that you contact Strava support team.